Hello YouTube. New this week video for September 22nd, 2019. Been a while. This week I got the special factory order for collector knives, Mike Lathem over there, the 77 Yankee Barlow. This is a GEC, Great Eastern Cutlery. The handle material is amber Sawcut bone. This is a Spearpoint blade, match strike, long pull, and it's a beaut. So first off, there's a can for it. There's the number. It's a Northfield trim, and there's the special factory order. Got a pin with it. Top hat, Yankee Barlow. Pretty cool. And the knife itself. Now, I had been wanting a 77 for a long time. And I've been wanting a Sawcut handle for a while. So this was a nice get. There's a blade for it. And then the Collector Knives logo. Etched. Blade centering is perfect. Fit and finish is very nice. No high spots. There was one little snag around one of these pins, but I'm sure that'll wear down. Yeah, that one there. It's got a little high spot there, but nothing out of this world. Pull on this is 5. It's perfect. Walk and talk, perfect. Half stop, and there's that amber Sawcut bone. I see some people aren't real happy with the ambers, and actually with the red Sawcut as well. They don't like the fade out to pink on the red, and I guess they were thinking this would be more autumn, like a deeper color. There were pictures beforehand, so I went in knowing what this would look like, and I like it. I think if it would have maybe been named something different, people wouldn't care, you know. Something like a butterscotch or caramel or desert sand or something. But, you know, it's a light tan. I can see that. But it's got some character already. On this side especially. Logan Stout has a great video on his. He knows way more about the history of these knives and can go through some of the unique features. I know the long bolster here, and he knows production quantities and stuff like that. I think there were like 125 of these made, and there's like 4 or 5 different handle materials. Some wood handle, snake wood, and I think there's a micarta one as well. But great little pickup. I probably won't carry it. This will just be in the collector case. But that should do it for this week. Thanks a lot, YouTube. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.